Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find either Google section or accounts and sync. Up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, I currently have previously added Google account. So let's maybe start with removing it. I can show you how to remove the Google account. Simply tap on it, then tap on more and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, you can add the account immediately. Just tap on an account, choose Google of course, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. As you can see, I've got it saved, so let me just tap on it to fasten the video. And here we can enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. As you can see, we just go back to this section, but after getting back, we can see that we've got our Google account successfully added. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.